those are cute dogs, Jelana. Oh, about you, you wear that one. Can I see if you wear it?
Me?
Yeah. No, no, can you wear, guys, you have to, when you do 3D, can you make a glasses for Jelana? Me.
Matuling ka.
No one, paggawa, hey, when you do a 3D, can you make like this? 3D. Here's the sample.
Matuling ka. No, matuling ka.
Tell Ate Dong you're hi, guys.
Oh, thanks. Hi, guys. Oh, I'm alone.
Adilon! It's playing.
Play ka na ni. Ate, oh, play it daw.
Office!
Oh,
You have to
office.
shower first. Nope.
Shower first.
Shower first.
And then you go office. Don't. Jelana. Again. I'm not doing that, lah.
Wait, try here, buddy.
Where you going?
Tutor.
Oh, where's your scooter?
Right there.
Beep, beep, scooter.
Piap. Piap. Piap.
Are you doing your scooter time now?
Yep.
Okay. You're done with your playing?
Not the pins.
Okay.
Not the pins. You? And you? And you? Follow me.
Okay, follow you. Oh, were you doing your scooter?
What? Good, buddies.
All right.
Let me get off. Beep. Beep.
Excuse me. Say excuse me.
Bye.
Oh. Oh, baby.
Oh, Bonnie, wee.
Wee. Oh, hold the baby.
Show you that.
Where's that at?
Let's try to want that sound.
No more?
No.
You have to have your...
Ready. Ready to do that. Ooh, I like this.
Uh-oh.
Wee.
Wee. Oh.
Baby.
Wee. Oh. Oh, you don't want your pony ride anymore? The pony ride can ride it there. They can ride your pony ride.
This guy in the game ate my cat.
Get out on that game then. You need to change that.
Maligo na. Apo.
Hala. Hindi ka na magsalita ng Tagalog.
Go figure out. Ang nagyo ko na magbunot na. It's time for hair.
Hair.
Do you have conditioner upstairs?
Yeah, I think so. I do. Yeah, I do. I'm just running out of the conditioner shampoo.
You don't have the conditioner?
No.
Oh, ba't nandun kami kanina sa store? Di mo
Hindi man lang kayo
wala man nagsasabi. Eh, wala sa listahan. Pinagluloko niyo ako. Yeah, because you guys are playing in Costco. That's what you guys do. All you do.
Jelana, I'm waiting for you. Do you have kilikili hair? No.
Oh, let me see.
Look.